Okay, so in this question we want to figure out what is the probability of x greater than 13,100. Alright, so first of all, as we said earlier, so the probability P means we are looking for the area under the graph. The x here, it means that we are using just a normal distribution. All right, now reading through the problem, what we need the mean, which is given by the name average, is equal to 12,837, and we need the standard deviation, which is 1500. All right, so we can go to the graph. The middle here, this will be your mean, which is equals to 12,837. Now the standard deviation is technically the distance from here to here. That's the sigma. All right, and sigma is equals to 1500. Okay. All right, so now reading through the question again, we want to figure out more than 13,100. So how can we do that? So if this is the middle, 12,837, so 13,000 should be somewhere on the right side. All right, so this is the x1, we can call it, is 13,100. And what we want the x's to be more or greater than that value. So the x's, they're gonna go this way. All right, you're gonna go all the way to plus infinity. Now, what is the area that we are looking for? Obviously, the right tail. So if I raise the vertical line here, follow the graph, and this will be my area basically. All right, so let me shade it. So this is the yellow area. Okay. All right, so how can I use the calculator for this? Again, we're going to use, so let me show you how to get it. So you're going to use second and then the vars to go to distributions, and then you're going to go to the second one, which is a normal CDF. All right, once you enter there, so by default the lower end, the upper, the mean, and sigma, right? So let's see what is our lower end. Obviously this will be the lower end. Over here this is the lower end. The upper end would be plus infinity, or we can the calculator can type it 1e99, right? Now the mean and the sigma are given over here, so make sure you are using the right values. Okay, let's plug it in. So the first value here is going to be 13,100. The upper end is going to be 1 second and comma to get the e, and then 99. It means that is 10 exponents 99 is a huge number, right? We go to the mean, which is 12,837. And we go to sigma, which is 1500. Enter. Okay, so you're gonna paste it, we're gonna enter, and we get that value. And this, it means that this area here is gonna be 0.4304 and 0. You wanna round this to get the 4 decimal points, so this should be 0.43040. We stop at the 4. Okay, let's plug it in and see whether it's correct or not. So it's going to be 0 0.4304. Check it. Okay, it went through. Now we have a similar question. So we are looking for the probability of x between 15,000. So we are looking for the x between 15,700 and 16,700. So I'm not going to draw it right now. I'm just going to go to the calculator to see how easy it is. So again, what we do second, we go to the vars, we go to second, we see normal CDF, enter. So we are looking for the lower end. Obviously the lower end is the smallest number, 15,700. We plug in the upper hand, which is 16,700. The mean is the same, standard deviation is the same, and we can paste it, enter, and we get that value, right? So that value is going to be 0.02314, which is just 1 if you round it. Check the answer, and that's correct. Great.